Hi there, students. A shrew. Okay, a shrew is a word for a woman who is regarded as bad-tempered, who's always nagging her husband, who's unpleasant, who's overbearing and very aggressive with people. Okay, so if you call a woman a shrew, it's an insult. Use this word at your own risk. It's talking about a woman who's argumentative, nagging, bad-tempered. They have a violent temper. Now let's see. Let's look at the origin of this word. A shrew. A shrew is a small animal. It looks like a mouse. It's a nocturnal creature, although it's not actually related to a mouse. It's not a rodent. It's related to a hedgehog or a mole. The shrew has a very fast heartbeat, a very fast way of living, and it eats a huge amount. It has a very high metabolic rate. It can eat its own weight in food every day. And yeah, a shrew, it looks like a mouse, but it's not. I'm not completely. I don't completely understand why that it's become a word for an angry woman. But well, that is it. You probably heard this word shrew from the Shakespeare play, The Taming of the Shrew. The Taming of the Shrew, and that's the best known use of the meaning of an ill-tempered woman. The Taming of the Shrew is about the courtship of Petruchio and Caterina, and Petruchio has to, or the idea of the play is to change Caterina, who is an independent woman who knows what she wants, and I think is what I would call a modern day women's liber. But in those times that was very badly looked upon, and the play is about Petruchio marrying her and dominating her and making her compliant. And I think probably this play is very misogynistic. It's anti-women, and I think if this play was written today, I think there would be a lot of problem about it, although there are many different adaptations of it. Okay, so the Taming of the Shrew. But a shrew, the shrew is this this little animal with a long pointed nose and small eyes, also called a shrew mouse. But a shrew, a termagant, a harpy, a harridan, a nag, a virago, a witch, an old dragon, a hag, a hellcat, a crone, a battle axe. Okay, so these are all. I'm sorry about it, but it's the reality. Insulting words for a bad-tempered, nagging woman, somebody who is always scolding, who is always angry. Yeah, she's disagreeable and unpleasant. Maybe a bit of a spitfire. Now, what about formality? I think this is old-fashioned. Although I think you could use it. I'm going to give it a. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. Okay, so a shrew. Let's see. The word itself comes from Old English screawa, a shrew. Proto-Germanic scrawaz, thin and meagre. So a shrew. So well, a woman who's really unpleasant to you, you could call her a shrew, ill-tempered, nagging, always scolding. So shrew.